Good day, ma'am. We are the Group 9 presenting a research study. Our study is titled Academic Stress Among Student Parents. And here is the summary of our rationale. Student parents try to navigate their academic responsibilities alongside their duties as parents. Despite the inherent difficulties of managing academic and family obligation, an increasing number of parents are pursuing education in contemporary society. According to Deb et al., student parents in college often experience stress which can impact their physical and mental well-being. Failure to adapt this stress can affect academic performance, leading to academic stress. In addition, according to Khan, academic stress arises from the overwhelming demands and tasks faced by students. Previous study on academic stress have predominantly focused on traditional college students with limited research specifically addressing the academic stress factors and coping mechanism of student parents, a group of confronting distinct challenges in harmonizing academic and parental duties. Therefore, this study aimed to ascertain the demographic profile of student parents, evaluate their academic stress level, and identify the coping strategies to manage stress.
Let us talk about the statement of the problem. These are the statement of the problem of the study. First, demographic profile of the student parents. Second, level of academic stress through its factor. Third, coping strategies used to manage academic stress. Fourth, significance relationship between demographic profile and level of academic stress. And the last one, significance relationship between level of academic stress and coping strategy. Let us now move on to the review of related literature. Our review of related literature has three themes. First, student parents profile, factors of educational pressure, and adaptive strategy for educational pressure. Let us talk first about the student parents profile by research by Giancola et al. Highlights the challenges faced by older students' parents compared to younger counterparts, emphasizing factors like increased familial responsibilities and complex life circumstances that contribute to heightened stress levels. Marital status can also influence stress levels among student parents with single parents facing additional pressures and balancing academic pursuit and parenting duties. The number of children as student parents has significantly impacts stress levels with larger family size, posing greater challenges in managing time, finances, and academic responsibilities.
In this part, we will talk about the factors of educational pressure. According to a study 2018, difficulties in time management can lead to heightened stress levels and challenges in meeting academic deadlines, underscoring the need for effective time management strategies. In addition, Gallardo-Lolandis et al. Revealed that time management skills play a vital role in influencing academic stress levels with better time management leading to lower stress levels and improve academic performance. Financial pressure represents a significant resource for student parents. The availability of a strong support system from family and university resources is crucial in mitigating academic stress. In the study of DIP 1987, parental social support has a significant negative correlation with academic stress, emphasizing the role of support in reducing the levels among students. Let us move on to the adaptive strategies. Effective coping strategies include time management, financial planning, and self-care. Time management skills are essential for student parents to balance their role with efficiently with workshop and seminars. Recommended to equip students with stress management techniques based on the study of Kabulay et al. Financial planning strategies such as budgeting and exploring financial options play a pivotal role in alleviating stress related to financial pressure, enabling student parents to manage their finances effectively and also to reduce the economic stress. To synthesize our review of related literature, academic stress among student parents is influenced by demographic factors, academic demands, financial strain, family dynamics, and institutional policies. Developing robust coping strategies, including time management, financial planning, and self-care, while leveraging family and university support system, is crucial for student parents to navigate these challenges successfully.
Now, let's move on to methodology. So first, let's talk about the research environment. This study was conducted at higher education institution in Palawan to evaluate the level of academic stress among student parents. And the research design, the researchers employed a descriptive correlational design for the study. In this study, the researchers aim to describe the demographic profile, level of academic stress factors, and coping strategies of student parents. The focus will be on measuring the significance relationship between these variables without seeking causal connection. And the research responded, we conducted the research with student parents from a university in Palawan who are juggling their studies and parenting duties. Since our study is quantitative, we chose a total of 50 students, parents as respondent. In the research technique, We use a purposive sampling procedure. This method involves selecting units based on specific characteristics needed for the sample, ensuring that the chosen participants base address the research questions. It is non-probability sampling techniques where participants are intentionally chosen.
Now let's proceed to the research instrument. We use a survey questionnaire to gather data, which included a checklist and a rating scale. This questionnaire, which we developed, had a structured format with various questions designed to get responses from the participants. It was divided into three parts. The first part focused on the respondents' demographic profiles, and the second part assessed their level of academic stress, and the third part determined how often they engage in coping strategies. To measure responses, we use a four-item Likert scale, allowing participants to indicate their level of agreement with different statements. Before collecting the data, we tested the survey questionnaire for validity and reliability to ensure it was accurate and consistent. An expert professional evaluated the instrument using an evaluation sheet to confirm its validity. Next, data gathering procedure. For data collection, we conducted a survey with the consent of the student parents at the university. We administered a three-part survey questionnaire, which had already been validated and tested for reliability. We emphasized the importance of honest response to the participant. Next is data analysis. After collecting the data, we analyze it using various statistical tools. First is frequency and percentage distribution to analyze the respondent's profile. Next is mean to assess the level of academic stress and the frequency of coping strategies used by the student parents using a 4-point Likert scale. The last is Spearman-Rho correlation to examine a significant relationship among variables such as the correlation between respondent demographic profiles and their academic stress factors, and the relationship between the academic stress factors and coping strategies. Next is the ethical consideration. Before starting the study, we sent a letter to the respondents requesting their written consent to participate. Throughout the study, we treated the respondent with dignity and respect.
Let us now proceed to the result of our study. First, let's talk about the demographic profile of the student. Out of 50 respondents, 84% of them fall in 20 to 25 years old, 90% of them are female, 82% of them are single and their marital status, 94% of them has 1 to 2 children, 62% of them came from third-year students, and 40% of the respondents are from the College of Education. Let us now talk about the level of academic stress through its factors. We have 6 factors, and first is the time management. 60% of them felt stressed when they did not follow the list that they listed to manage their time. 60% of them felt very stressed due to time constraint related to their academic and parental obligation. In terms of financial pressure, 52% feel very stressed when they have to use their financial savings for their studies, and when they have to borrow money and use it for their study over their children wants. In support system, 54% of them feel stressed when they need to join in group activities and couldn't easily find someone to be with their children. In terms of academic performance, 48% of the respondents feel very stressed when they get a low grade in their exam. 40% of them feel very stressed when they fail their quizzes exam. Moving on to the frequency level of using coping strategies in support system, 50% of the respondents always feel supported by their partner to overcome their academic stress. In terms of support from the university, 62% of the respondents often apply an our university scholar to help their financial academic expenses, while in time management, 62% always use their free time to spend family time. Additionally, in self-care, 52% of them always organize their time to handle academic stress. Lastly, about the financial planning, 52% of them always budget their money for their academic expenses, personal expenses, and family expenses. Now let's proceed to the relationship between demographic profile and level of academic stress. The table shows that the demographic profile of the student parents has no significant relationship with level of academic stress through its factors experienced by the student parents. In terms of relationship between level of academic stress and coping strategies, table also showed that there is no significant relationship between the level of academic stress and the coping strategies. To conclude our studies, Majority of the respondents were young adults with a high representation of females. Additionally, most of the respondents were single, had 1 to 2 children, and were primarily third-year students from the College of Education. Regarding to the level of academic stress, student parents experience high level in several areas, including time management, financial pressure, support system, academic performance, and the role conflict between being a parent and a student. In terms of coping strategies, student parents were aware of techniques such as time management, financial planning, support system from the family and the university, and self-care, but struggled to apply these strategies effectively to manage their academic stress. In terms of the significant relationship, the study showed that there is no significant relationship between the demographic profile of the respondents and the level of academic stress, nor the relationship between the level of academic stress and frequency level of strategies. To end our presentation, we want to give you a Bible verse, Proverbs 16:3. Commit to the Lord whatever you do, and He will establish your plan. Thank you so much, ma'am, for listening.